Those of us of a certain age remember well the blizzard of 1978, the historic 3-day nor'easter that paralyzed New England, New York, New Jersey, and Pennsylvania, shutting down day-to-day life and causing more than 100 fatalities. On March 7th, join local author Alan Earls at the Adams Center for the Blizzard of 78 Remembered, a program beginning at 6 p.m. Author of 2 books on the blizzard and its effects, Alan's presentation will showcase local images and discuss his personal experience during the storm. Register via the Kingston Public Library's website.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button before you go. We'll see you next time.